It's a curious disease. It doesn't have any symptoms. You can't see it, you can't feel it. With someone like me, I don't think anyone would take a look and say, wow, she's got osteoporosis, let alone severe osteoporosis. It affects the density of the human bone. So it tends to make the bones in the body much weaker and thinner. So if you and I fall over in the same manner from the same height, I am probably more likely to break. When I was first diagnosed with osteoporosis, I read that it was the silent killer. And when the results came back, my GP sat me down and said, I have to tell you, you've got the bones of a 75-year-old. And I actually couldn't hear what she was saying. And I burst into tears straight away. And I said, I cannot comprehend. I cannot comprehend this. It seemed so illogical to me and also unacceptable. But after a while, I realised I just really, I had to do everything I could to accept the truth and then deal with the truth. I think society is scared of disease and we're encouraged to be private about disease. And I in particular have not been afraid of talking about osteoporosis as a disease, as a manageable disease, and certainly a disease that we need to understand as early as we possibly can. The Garvan Institute is definitely a world leader when it comes to understanding disease and studying the genome, which we know is incredibly complex. But when you have the world's best people, wouldn't you want to make sure that they get the best opportunity to continue to drive their research, to transform lives and to extend life itself?